you're considering a vehicle powered by Toyota's 2.5-liter hybrid system, you're not alone. This powertrain has quickly become one of the most widely used hybrid setups in the world, appearing in models like the Toyota Camry Hybrid, Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, Toyota Highlander Hybrid, and even newer entries like the Crown and Lexus equivalents. On paper, it looks like the perfect solution. Strong fuel economy, proven reliability, and smooth performance. But before you commit, there are several important truths, some rarely discussed, that you need to understand. This isn't about saying the Toyota 2.5 hybrid is bad. In fact, it's one of the most refined hybrid systems ever built. But it's not perfect, and for certain buyers, it may not be the best choice. Let's break down what experts, mechanics, and long-term owners are really seeing. The core of the system. What you're actually buying. Toyota's 2.5 hybrid system is built around a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter inline-4 engine paired with electric motors and an electronically controlled CVT, eCVT. This setup is part of Toyota's TNGA, Toyota New Global Architecture, platform. Unlike traditional hybrids of the past, this system is designed to operate seamlessly between gasoline and electric power. It uses a planetary gear set instead of a conventional transmission, which is one of the key reasons for its durability. Expert insight. Many automotive engineers consider Toyota's hybrid architecture the gold standard. The reason? Simplicity. Instead of using a complex dual-clutch or torque converter transmission, Toyota relies on fewer moving parts. This reduces mechanical stress and long-term failure points. However, that same simplicity comes with trade-offs, especially in driving feel. The driving experience smooth, but not engaging. If you're expecting a traditional driving feel, the Toyota 2.5 hybrid may surprise you, and not always in a good way. The eCVT creates a rubber band sensation during acceleration. The engine revs up quickly, but the speed builds more gradually. For some drivers, this feels disconnected and unnatural. What experts say. Automotive reviewers often describe Toyota hybrids as efficient but uninspiring. That's not a flaw, it's a design choice. Toyota prioritizes efficiency, smoothness, predictability, over sportiness, immediate throttle response, driver engagement. If you're coming from a turbocharged vehicle or a traditional automatic, this difference can feel significant. Real-world fuel economy. Not always as advertised. One of the biggest selling points of the Toyota 2.5 hybrid is fuel economy. EPA ratings often exceed 40 mpg, around 17 km/L, which is impressive for midsize sedans and SUVs. But real-world results can vary more than you might expect. Why the gap happens? 1. Driving style matters more than you think. Hybrid systems reward gentle acceleration and steady speeds. Aggressive driving quickly reduces efficiency. 2. Highway driving reduces hybrid advantage. At highway speeds, the gasoline engine does most of the work. The electric motor contributes less, narrowing the efficiency gap. 3. Climate conditions play a role. In hot or cold climates, the system may rely more on the engine to maintain cabin comfort, reducing efficiency. Expert insight fleet data shows that urban drivers benefit the most from Toyota hybrids. If your driving is mostly city-based, you'll likely hit or exceed advertised numbers. But if you spend most of your time on highways, the advantage over a modern gasoline engine becomes smaller than expected. Long-term reliability. Strong, but not bulletproof. Toyota's reputation for reliability is well earned, and the 2.5 hybrid system continues that tradition, for the most part. What's proven? Hybrid batteries often last 200,000 plus kilometers. The eCVT has very few failure points. The gasoline engine is understressed and durable. What's less discussed? Even the best systems have weak spots. 1. Hybrid battery degradation. While batteries are durable, they do degrade over time. Replacement costs can be significant outside warranty. 2. Cooling system maintenance. Hybrid systems rely on dedicated cooling for both the battery and power electronics. If neglected, it can lead to overheating and reduced lifespan. 3. Brake system behavior. Regenerative braking reduces wear on brake pads, but it can also lead to uneven wear patterns or rust buildup if the friction brakes are used less frequently. Expert insight. Independent mechanics often note that Toyota hybrids are extremely reliable, but only when properly maintained. Neglecting small maintenance items can lead to disproportionately expensive issues later. Maintenance costs. Lower, but not always cheap. Toyota hybrids are often marketed as low-maintenance vehicles. That's partially true, but it's not the full story. Where you save: less brake wear due to regeneration, reduced engine strain, fewer transmission-related issues. Where costs can surprise you: hybrid battery replacement if out of warranty, specialized diagnostic tools for hybrid systems, cooling system servicing, expert perspective. Over a 10-year ownership period, Toyota hybrids are generally cheaper to maintain than traditional vehicles. But the cost curve isn't linear. Most years are inexpensive, but one major hybrid-related repair can offset those savings. Performance: better than expected, but limited. The Toyota 2.5 hybrid system actually produces respectable combined power, often in the 200-plus horsepower range depending on the model. Acceleration is smooth and adequate for daily driving. In fact, many hybrids are quicker off the line than their gasoline-only counterparts due to instant electric torque. The limitation: sustained high-speed performance is not its strength. At higher speeds, the electric motor contributes less, the engine works harder, acceleration feels less responsive. Expert Insight hybrid systems are optimized for efficiency, not sustained performance. If you frequently drive at high speeds or carry heavy loads, you may notice this limitation. Resale value: a major advantage. One area where Toyota hybrids truly shine is resale value. Vehicles like the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid and Toyota Camry Hybrid consistently retain strong resale prices. Why? Proven reliability, reputation, high demand for fuel-efficient vehicles, strong brand trust. Expert Insight: in many markets, hybrid Toyotas depreciate slower than their gasoline counterparts. This can significantly offset the higher upfront cost. The hidden cost: initial price: premium hybrid versions typically cost more than their gasoline equivalents. For example, a hybrid model may cost several $1,000s more upfront. Higher trims often bundle hybrid systems with additional features. The real question: will you recover that cost through fuel savings? Expert breakdown: if you drive frequently, spend a lot of time in city traffic, plan to keep the vehicle long-term, then yes, the hybrid premium usually pays off. But if you drive infrequently, mostly use highways, plan to sell within a few years, the financial advantage becomes less clear. Ownership experience: quiet, comfortable, predictable. Toyota hybrids excel in everyday usability. You'll notice quiet operation at low speeds, smooth transitions between power sources, minimal vibration. The trade-off: some drivers find the experience too appliance-like. Expert Insight Toyota hybrids are designed to be stress-free transportation. If your priority is comfort and reliability, they deliver exceptionally well. But if you value driving excitement, you may find them lacking. Who should absolutely buy it? The Toyota 2.5 hybrid is an excellent choice if you drive mostly in urban environments, want maximum reliability, prioritize fuel efficiency over performance, plan to keep the vehicle long-term. For these buyers, it's one of the best powertrains available today. Who should think twice? You may want to reconsider if you prefer sporty driving dynamics, drive mostly on highways, are sensitive to CVT driving characteristics. Plan short-term ownership. In these cases, a turbocharged gasoline engine or even a different hybrid system might suit you better. Final expert verdict: the Toyota 2.5 hybrid system represents one of the most refined and reliable hybrid technologies on the market. It's efficient, durable, and well-engineered, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. The truth: it excels in city driving, it delivers long-term reliability, it holds value exceptionally well. But it's not engaging to drive. Real-world efficiency varies. Upfront costs can take time to justify. Bottom line: don't buy a Toyota 2.5 hybrid just because it's popular or highly rated. Buy it because it fits your driving habits. If it aligns with your needs, it's one of the smartest automotive choices you can make. If it doesn't, there are better alternatives, and understanding that difference is what separates a good purchase from a great one.